Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nuralia binti Ahmad, student from 2PS MP Science 1. So today I want to present about the digital material that I have produced, which is solar system. Okay, so this is the link of digital material that I have produced, which is solar system, and you guys can click this link to through the my website at the Canva. Okay, so firstly, the background of this making digital material is I want to introduce the topic solar system more easily and interestingly because I choose this topic because this topic is simple and easy way to understand, especially for students. Other than that, I have emphasized two interesting and popular subtopics, which is the solar system and the types of planet. In addition, I also use DLO elements to produce interesting digital material, such as I use application like quizzes, Canva, Bluecurt, and YouTube to making learning elements more interesting. Next, I have highlighted 5 rationales in this digital material. The first is that this website makes teaching more interesting and effective. This is because the use of colors and interesting picture make it easier for students to understand this topic more easily. Next, the digital production of this material highlight the use of DLO more widely in the learning process. The uses of DLO really help students to actively participate in the class. The third rationale is that the result of the website make it easier for students to understand the topic by using material like YouTube, game, and cartoon. As you already know, YouTube and games really attract students to focus on learning because they apply many elements of singing, speaking, and so on. The fourth rationale is while I'm making this website, I want to stimulate students to thinking with quizzes and interactive games such as crossword. And this activity will help the teacher to know the level of understanding the students about this topic. And the last rationale is I want to unearthing students' talents to be creative, such as decorating a canvas using interesting colors and writing. Next, throughout the digital production of this material, I have gone through several process, which is I call this timeline. Okay, the first is I choose a topic and search for information on the internet, like the NASA website. So as you guys can see in this slide, I have put the website that I choose, which is NASA website. Next, I choose the appropriate application, which is Canva, Quizzes, and Bluecurt. Why I choose this app? Because it is easier to access. The next process is that I decorate the Canva by entering the information that I found in the internet. Okay, as you can see in the slide, I have screenshot my website. This material, I use a light and dark color, and I also place the several picture like astronauts, musics, and the others. So next, the third process is that I choose a picture, YouTube songs, and create a suitable game to create an interesting website. Once complete, I check digital results. I check the digital results of the material carefully to avoid any mistake. And the last process is that I publish the Canva website on the internet. Okay, for the next slide, I have put some of my website slides as an example. For first of all, as you guys can see, I label each planet picture and explain the structure of features of each planet. Like this, I have explained the structure of Earth and the others. Okay. Next, I also put the interaction on each game, such as I put a conversation dialogue like this kids and his father on how to play the game correctly by scan the QR code that I have produced. Okay, so the next slide is I want to present about the strength and effectiveness of my digital material. Firstly, I use picture as an illustration to students. The uses of picture helps to clarify students' understanding of the solar system and motivate them. Okay. The second strength and effectiveness of my digital material is I have used three type of game applications such as quizzes, wood wall, and booklet to identify students' level of understanding. The game that I create consists of simple questions, and I am very confident that students will be able to answer them correctly. The third of the strength and effectiveness my digital material is that I use a cartoon illustration to attract student interest. For example, I use a cartoon astronaut and picture of boys and also family to attract students' interest of this topic, which is solar system. And the last strength and effectiveness in my digital material is I use short and clear sentence to easy understand. I put a point to explain about the planet and not write in a long sentence because the long sentence can confuse the students. Okay, so as you guys can see, for example, in this slide, I use picture of planets to give student knowledge about the shape, the colors, the arrangements of the planet in the solar system. Okay, so the next slides. In this slide, I also put some dialogue between the cartoon and the planet to make my website more interesting and more fun because students like cartoon like planet, kids, astronaut, and others. Okay. And these slides, in this slide, I have screenshot my several games such as quizzes, blueprint, and crossword that students can play the game. And also, I have put some YouTube song, which is Planet Song, to make my website more interesting and to attract students to more focus on this topic, which is solar system. Okay, so the conclusions of this digital material is the uses of DLO in the learning method makes very easy for students, especially to me, to understand a topic and produce a creative educator in the meantime. So that's all from me. Thank you.